Bandit, did you get in the food cabinet? We locked you in because you got in the food cabinet.
Teach you a lesson.
This is your lesson, Bandit.
Oh, now you want out when usually you want in.
All is what you wanted was in, and then you realized the food was all locked up.
Bandit.
Bandit, are you in trouble?
Bandit, let's go bye-bye.
Bandit, you want to go outside? You want some food? You want some food, bud? Huh? Come on, buddy. You got yourself in there. Millie, have you gotten in the food? Millie, have you gotten in the food at all? Only one time? Come on. Millie, have you gotten in the food? Have you?
Bandit, come out and see Mom and Dad.
Bandit, have you been bad? Come on.
Come on, come out.
Come on, buddy.
Why are you in there?
Did you go in to get your food? Did you go in there to get your food? Come here, bud.
Come on, Bandit.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
Bandit.
That's bad.